Hello friends, my name is Shohit, and in this video tutorial I will show you how to generate API credentials for Shopify Akeneo Connector. So I'll be using the live demo of this module. So simply click here and your demo will be, links will be available. Then go to Shopify and log in. Then go to apps. Then go to manage private apps. Click create new private app. Then enter any name like then here you have to select read and write permissions for product variants and collection. Then click review disable API permission. Then go to product information and select read and write. Then click save. So your API key and password is ready. So API key and password will be needed in Akeneo module configuration. So please keep them safe somewhere in your computer. After that, let's now log into Akeneo admin panel. So once you have installed the Shopify Akeneo Connector, then this option will be available. Go to credential. Here you need to enter your Shopify shop URL, and here you will be entering API key and API password which you have just created here. Okay, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.